guys, so we're at Guru Shikhar and we have to climb up. We are going to the highest spot over here. So I'll show it to you. So we're at the highest point of Mount Abu, and it's kind of crowded. You have to be careful because there are people also, and it's very breezy. Yeah guys, so basically this is even the highest point in the Aravalis. So
move, Ryan, wait.
where's that kid, man? What a beautiful. Hi guys, so we're on our way to Dilwara temple. Reena auntie, say hi.
Hi.
So what do you know of Dilwara temple, auntie?
Dilwara is one of the most prominent Jain temples built in the between 10th to 11th century. And I think, Ryan, they won't allow you the camera inside.
Alright, so I will see you guys after.
Stand here and take, otherwise if it's too closer you won't get that dome. Stand here and take, otherwise if it's too closer you won't get that dome.
Hey guys, so we came out of this place and like just imagine, okay, it's a temple that was built 1031, alright, AD. So that's around 1000 years back. And imagine that time they spent 18 crores and 50 lakhs to build this temple. So just imagine that time that much money was spent. And you go inside, like the people here say, you know, if you come to Mount Abu, you haven't visited the place until and unless you've gone in. And you can't take your phones in, that's the worst thing. But you go and you see, it's recorded by stone. Alright? Sorry, not recorded. Guys, why are you confusing me? So yeah, it is built by stone. You go inside the temple, it's entirely marble, you know, it's carved with marble. And it's beautiful, like the architecture behind it. You architecture students, you'll be able to figure out everything. I'd say it's better than the Taj Mahal, you know. The Taj Mahal has its own beauty, but this is like a must-visit place. And it's awesome, man. I just can't describe it because I just witnessed something else. It was awesome. Hey guys, I'm with my uncle. He's the Deputy Inspector General here. So, hi uncle, how are you?
I am good. How are you, beta?
I'm good as well. So uncle, tell us one thing. How important is discipline in one's life?
Discipline is very, very important in all walks of life. And all achievers, they go through a good amount of discipline. And discipline doesn't mean just being obedient or just limiting yourselves to certain norms of the society. Discipline overall means that not violating any of the rules of the society or the law for that matter. And too much of discipline is also not good. There should be certain leverage. You should know your limits very well. So that's what it all boils down to. Yeah.
Uncle went off. Okay guys, this is the training room. You know, all the strategies, all of it is planned here. There's a CRPF training room called the Lawrence room, if I'm not wrong. Hey guys, you know, I just got back from an intense session of basketball. You know, I played with the CRPF dudes and they're the trainers here. I mean, they train here at the moment before becoming officers, and they are built, you know, they have crazy amount of stamina and they are built, you know, you touch them, you try to play physical on them, you only get hurt. And the worst is they run a lot, you know. And yeah, on top of that, you know, there's a 4,000 whatever altitude over here. and because of that, you have breathing problems, especially people like me who are here after, like, we're not accustomed to a climate like this, so running here is really difficult. So it was a bad time. I'll show you a few clips from the game.
Great drawing.
Hey guys, we're back again at the Softy place because we're leaving tomorrow. We're actually here for some hot milk as well because it's famous and it's good to have in this climate. And yeah, I might have Softy. Only thing is my throat is kind of messed up. Who cares? Hi guys, this is what I'm having. It's awesome. Yeah guys, stay tuned. Okay. Stay tuned. You can hold my ice cream and take care. Okay, yeah. 3, 2, 1, cheers.